Wanna learn how to make videos like this? Surprisingly, these videos are very easy to make. So the first thing you will need is you will need to go to Google, and you will need to find, we need like a full screen GIF. So you will need to go to Google, search aesthetic full screen GIFs. There's a couple here you could pick from. Maybe you could pick this. Now all you need to do with this is you need to download it, and then you need a Twitter code. So you can just go right here, search Betty, maybe Betty Twitter codes. Right there you'll find a couple of Twitter codes. You can just pick the one that you like. Girl, you already know I'm gonna step back at you. Who the fuck you looking at, dude? Okay, you take this, you download it. Then you will need an app. You will need an app. It's called CapCut. Once you find, it's this one right here. Once you find CapCut, I'm gonna open your CapCut. You can easily download CapCut on the Play Store. You're gonna open CapCut, and then you're gonna go to Photos. You're gonna choose the GIF you installed, you downloaded, and then you're gonna add that. You're gonna go to your gallery. Downloads. You're gonna crop the picture that the Twitter code that you downloaded. So you're gonna go to downloads. You're gonna crop this. You're just gonna crop this. You were just gonna crop this because we just need this right here. And then you're gonna save this. And save this, and then this. When you get to CapCut again, you're gonna add overlay. And then you're gonna add the picture that you cropped. You just do this in CapCut. You don't need to go back and forth. You're gonna add this. Let me just paste this here. You're gonna go to overlay. You're gonna add the pic that you cropped. Okay, it's not this one. I saved mine in screenshots, so yeah. It's not this one too. Add overlay. Then yeah, you're gonna find the pic that you cropped and you're gonna add it right here. Remember to change the format since it's a TikTok video. You're gonna change the format of the whole thing. The format of the whole thing is gonna be 9:16. Just gonna make sure everything fits right in there. Yeah, and then just press on the overlay, the picture that you just put there. You're just gonna press on the overlay. You're gonna go to opacity. You're gonna just decrease the opacity of the pictures to about 60 something, just so you can see the background video. 60 something right there. That is looking nice. And then yeah, you're gonna just increase the length. This, I usually make mine about 10 seconds. And then you're just gonna also increase the length of the overlay. And then to add music, you can actually take music from a video. You're just gonna press on audio, extract it, and then maybe you like music from a TikTok that you downloaded. You're just gonna press on the TikTok or the video, then import sound only. Yeah, so it's gonna be something like, yeah. And then you're gonna press, there's a 720p at the top. You're gonna press that to change it to a higher quality, which is 1080p, then frame rate 60. And then yeah, you're gonna press the download button there to just download everything or to just export everything. Then you're gonna wait for this to export. Okay, now video is done downloading. You can easily share the video to TikTok, as you see the button there, or you could just go to TikTok and then upload it. Yeah, that's basically all you need. Please make sure to follow, subscribe, and like the video. Bye. Now, when you upload into TikTok, the best part about CapCut is that the watermark is shown at the end of the video. So you in TikTok, you can easily just adjust the clips to just take out the watermark or any part of the video that you don't like. So you can just adjust this maybe to this point right here. Come on. Yeah. So any part that you just wanna cut out. So I wanna cut out that part, just that part, and then yeah. Then you can upload this to TikTok. You can just put any hashtags that you want. Hashtag quotes. Hashtag quotes. Hashtag viral.
Nobody wants a relationship nowadays.
Then you wait. So yeah, at the end you should have something like, okay, by the way, this is my TikTok page. I'm Kid Savage. So please be sure to follow. Yeah. So at the end of the day, you should have something like this. And I hope you found this to be very helpful. Thank you.